All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So I got some more cases in. I got a lot of cases. Now, I'm not going to go through all of these cases, but they do come in different colors. So be sure to check the link in the description to find which color you want. But I'm going to try on two of these cases here. I have it for the Pro Max and the Pro. So let's go ahead and get into and these are my dummy units right here, but I just want to show you the cases themselves. They come in some pretty nice packaging, pretty simple and straightforward to the point. This is a clear black version. And again, nice and simple and to the point. Oh, this is pretty sleek. Oh, I like this. This is nice. Yeah, it's pretty nice. So this is what you'll get. Now, these will be compatible with wireless charging and MagSafe. Not so much. It doesn't have the MagSafe compatibility back there, but wireless charging definitely is a go. Now, this is a black version. Again, it comes in, as you can see, I have every color here. So this is the black clear version. And just taking a note of that, it actually has some corner protection. Like, look at there's bumper protection on each corner, so that's pretty cool. And then you've got like little air pockets in the inside for shock absorbing. That's really nice. Some drop protection with this, and I guess that's a plus because you're going to need it. And the sides are nice and textured or grippy. It's a hard plastic feel, but it's actually really grippy. So we're going to try this on and show you how it looks. And this is how it's going to look on your 14 Pro Max. You do have lip protection along the entire front side. It's actually raised a little bit as well. You can see there. Raised corners. Let's try on the other one here on the Pro model. Now, this is a different color I got on this. I think I pulled out the red one. Oh, this is the blue one. So remember, this comes in different colors. Now this one actually is a multicolor. It's the multicolor one. This is actually pretty cool. So check this out. It comes in all these different ones. So this is a blue purple style right here. Look at that. That is slick. Same style of case, different color patterns or colorway, like people say these days. You've got a little bit of branding down here. You can very faintly see it right there. My camera game is on point, so I know you can see that. But that's the brand right there. And again, corner protection. Lots of grip on this case too, man. For it to be a clear plastic case, this is actually pretty sweet right here. And again, you choose the color that you want. It comes in different colors. And again, corner protection. This is actually really sweet. Corner protection. Camera is protected now that it's got that raised area around the camera module. You can see there, it's going to be the same for both. Camera is protected, so whether you lay it down this way or you lay it down on this side, you've got protection. So again, that raised lip around each side is really nice. So this is a nice clear setup. And let me show you one more here. I think I opened another one here because this is going to be a clear one. Some of you guys might just want all clear, and they do make an all clear version. Clear, yeah, it's good. Couldn't resist. So yeah, corner protection on all of these. You can see camera is protected now. A little bit of faint branding right there. Really simple and straight and to the point. So it's your man Jay. This is a really nice setup here. Hit the link in the description. Maybe I'll do a giveaway. Anybody want a case for their 14 Pro Max or their 14 Pro? Yeah, I think it'll be really nice. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.